Hello again, and welcome to this playlist on emotional literacy. Um, in this video, we're looking at how to tolerate emotion without acting it out. So many people were never shown how to sit with emotion safely, and as a result, feelings can feel dangerous or uneven, unbearable. So tolerating emotion does not mean suppressing it. It means allowing it to move through your body without harm. It means that as opposed to wanting to get away from feeling hurt or sad or angry, um, we learn to notice the feeling first, take a pause, take a deep breath, and just sit with, uh, oh, this feeling doesn't feel very good. I wonder what it is. And stay with it and notice whereabouts in your body you're feeling it. So here's the questions for the journal to help you to tune into this. Which emotions do you try to escape or avoid? So that's your first journaling question. And the next question is, what sensations accompany those emotions? Do you get a tight throat? Do you get a tightness in your chest? Do you hold your breath? Do you get a headache or a gut ache? What sensations accompany those emotions? So it's good to start noticing it and get used to noticing it and starting to take on board the information that those sensations that they go, what emotions they go with. And what helps you stay present with feeling without acting. So, as opposed to lashing out, to just stay present and notice, I feel really angry. Why is it I feel really angry? Because I feel really hurt. What is it I feel really hurt about? So you can, by stopping and tuning into yourself, you start to notice what's underneath the reaction, and you stop reacting, and then you're able to respond. So if you find that useful, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And the next video is about naming needs and inner signals. So it is really getting to build a relationship with yourself and understand yourself and how you are. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.